Okay, use your remote, go down there, bring the boat in close, and hold it in, and take the slack out of that dock line. Okay, use the stern thruster, stern thrust closer. Keep it coming, 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 pull in the slack, pull in the slack. Pull in the slack one more time with the thruster. Okay, now tie it up on the boat cleat. Tie it up, tie it up, tie it up. Okay, good. Take your time now that you got it stopped. There you go, you got it right. Okay, good. Now walk up to the bow and we'll do the same thing with the bow. Bring the bow back closer. So the current at this creek's pretty strong, isn't it? So bring the bow over and then tie up this midship line a little bit tighter so we can get on. Okay, tie that up tight so we're looking good. No, that's okay, the current's doing that. Not much we can do about that. Okay, so we're good, so we'll get ready with the helm. That's not going to help us any. So we'll get ready with the helm and we'll take off.